As COVID cases continue to surge across the country, an outbreak is sidelining an entire shift of firefighters in one city in the east. 9 News side's Camila Barco live outside Jacksonville City Hall. And Camila, how are officials there handling these COVID cases?
Well, Ken, so the city of Jacksonville will be placing phones outside its facilities. If someone wants to do business with someone inside, all that person has to do is just call that worker to go outside. But it's a different story for a local fire department. One shift is off the job and other firefighters are picking up the slack.
We recognize that firemen, police officers, sanitation workers, all of these people are going to be out in the public every day.
But 12 firefighters are out for a different reason, in quarantine for potential COVID exposure. That means other firefighters are working overtime to keep the city safe. Jacksonville city manager says they're keeping a close eye on manpower.
But for example, let's say that we had 24 or 36 firefighters who were exposed. Suddenly we're to the point where we're really looking at the possibility of having to reduce service.
Onslow County has seen COVID clusters like these, surges in cases and hospitalizations.
We have been told in the last week that Onslow Memorial Hospital is feeling the strain right now.
Swansboro, Richlands, Jacksonville, and Holly Ridge are taking action, again limiting public access to facilities.
It is time for us to take some measures to restrict entry into some of our buildings.
Richard Woodruff says officials have one advantage during this surge, what they learned from the first lockdown in the spring.
We also feel like the level of service that we gave 6 months ago proved successful and that it will be successful again.
For now, county workers are being assigned additional duties to help with contract tracing.
Now we are repurposing employees to help our health department because they are so overwhelmed by the number of new cases.
Now, Jacksonville City Manager Richard Woodruff says this local COVID surge reflects what's happening nationwide. He hopes people take precautions to prevent that spread. As for the city of Jacksonville, they will have their facilities closed starting on Monday morning. Other local government offices will take that step Monday afternoon. Live in Jacksonville, Camila Barco, 9 on your side.